Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about an app which is making 1,38,000 per year, which is a very simple app. So I'm going to show you the app, which is like, it's, you can see this is a Bible app, and it's been released over the last like this year, starting of this year, and this app is making almost a really good money. So I'm going to just show you, and in this video I'm going to talk about like the simpler app of making good money, and you guys can also build and make money. So for this, like, so we're going to talk about like how much money does it make, and the things. So this is a Bible app. So this is a Bible app. Bible is a daily spiritual companion app offering biblical verses, divine promises, and spiritual challenges. Okay, and this is launched on the December of 2025, and it's been almost a 4 month, 4 to 5 months. Okay, so what is the revenue? They are making the 5k MRR, and they have like they had to make around 9k dollar, 9k dollar in last 30 days, which is a really great amount. And this is the last 30 days, and if we talk about the last all time revenue, so the all time revenue is like 45k with just a simple app, nothing complex. You can see the graph. So I'm going to talk about like how they are making money and what you can learn, and instead of building a really complex app, why you should go with the simple app. And I'm going to give you complete roadmap and for you to learn this and to build your next 45k MRR application or 45k revenue. So I had created a complete lesson, a complete guide for you, so you can learn this, a complete learn, and get this mechanism, and gonna create your new next app which can make a good revenue. Okay, so before moving that, like what they are doing, so this is a they this number, this metrics is verified with the revenue card, and the all-time revenue you can see 45k 45k, which is a really great with just simple app, which is a Bible app. So they are, and yeah, you can see this is a really cute and simple app, nothing complex. Okay, so maybe I will be going to create this app as well, recently gonna be create on this channel. But let's talk about this is a B2C application, like business to consumer, and they have a free tier as well as the in-app purchase, and the subscription charge is start with the $4, $8, and $45. So the $4 will be like gonna be weekly, $8 gonna be monthly, and the $45 gonna be for the yearly. And for the tech stack, they have used the React Native, Expo, Swift, and Swift UI. Okay, so I'm gonna give you complete guide, and like what mistakes are you doing and why you stuck with one app, and what how you can make this app, like how you can make this money as well. Okay, so what we being as a developer, what we see, like this is a simple idea, why we're gonna build over complicated ideas. And but surprisingly this app is really simple, and I'm gonna talk about like why this app is working. Okay, so a lot of times we see that this app is not good, this app is so I'm gonna talk like why this app works and how they had make this much money, 45k dollar. Okay, the first thing, like the first lesson which we learn from this app, you have to solve the emotional problems. What does the emotional problem means? Like being as a developer, what we love building a utility app, like maybe we're building any AI image generator app, like I also built this, this autoaishorts AI video generator app. This is a kind of utility app where you give the prompt, and this will generate the video. So you can see my revenue card dashboard. I've been making this app, but it doesn't make that much money. So this is my revenue card dashboard, and I make around $300, which is a really low. And we have a autoaishorts app, we have a blink sort, and this is a normal utility app, but which is not making money. You can see these apps are like making really low money, like $3 in last days. But this simple app, this emotional app, is making a 45k. So what is that? Like we love to build utility apps, but there's one thing, but emotional products often monetize better. Okay, so if you're building, you have to build emotional product. Okay, so for example, it could be the spirituality. So if you're a Christian, so you can go build a application around the Bible for the Christianity. If you're a Muslim, build the app for the Quran and others stuff. Same for the Hindu and others religion, like build something apps around your religious. And another thing, like journaling application, like you can see also like the habit tracker app, daily habit, or journaling apps are making good money. Or maybe the relationships applications, habits application, they are a good emotional application, and you can solve those problems, which is a really simple. You don't have to spend a tons of day just do a vibe code and build this app quickly in over the weekend. Okay, so that's the one thing, you have to solve the emotional problem instead of solving the utility app. That things which we learn from this app and from this number which you can see right now. And you see the founder has only 24 followers, nothing complex done, and they are selling this. The ask price is really high, I think. Okay, going back to the next topic, which is the lesson number 2. What we learn, they are creating a daily habit retention. Basically what is they are created, apps doesn't win because of feature. Okay, so if you have a tons of feature but people are not using it, relax, they win because users come back. So they have a daily habit retention. Like, so in this Bible app, if I quickly show you, so they had implemented the, the people gonna be used every day. So they had implemented the strict feature. Also they had implemented the notification feature and this visit. Okay, and this notification. So what they are doing, that using those all the things, they are sending a daily notification, and it's become a daily habit to use that application. And if you're using the some application, it gonna be add some value to the user, and it's gonna give you money. So what is happening, app doesn't win because of feature, they win because of users come back. And how the users come back, you are giving the streak, you are giving the notification. That's the one thing which you learn from this application. Now next thing, being as a developer, what we do, that next thing is like the subscription psychology. Okay, so we so daily content, like they are providing the daily notification. And so on that, like it's creating a value to the next user. And being as a developer, what we do, mostly we try to make the application free, but they had added some restriction, like if you want this customization, you have to buy the subscription. So they have a daily content, recurring value, and high retention. So what is happening, like they are giving a daily notification and daily content. So if you see here on the app, this content, this the codes every day get changed. And to customize this background, you have to buy the subscription. And that's how, like, they are using the daily content and the recurring value and the higher retention. Every day they send notification on the morning. So being as a religious person as me, I would love to read start my day with a good verses of Bible, or maybe a good verses of Quran. So there's a high retention of the app. Okay, and this is a subscription friendly by design. And this is the important things for you guys. Like if you're building any apps, just implement the subscription and gonna really works. But now the next thing, like why, like if it's really simple apps, like why people are not copying, and like why developers are failing. Okay, because most engineers think success come from hard engineering. Like being as a me, like I built this really complex app by spending a year. Okay, but I ended up making with just only, if I show you the metrics, how much money did I make with this app. uh I've been working on this app from last 2 years, and if I show you the all-time data of my app, which is a, okay, look at this number, I make only 1.8k MRR, 1.8k dollar, which is a really complex app, lot of AI charge and so on. But this simple app just make 45k dollar in just last 45 days, in last 90 days, or maybe 120 in 100 days. Because being as an engineer, what do we think? We think like success comes from hard engineering, hard app, which is a really bad thing, guys. We have to change the mindset, and I think I have to also change this. But usually what does happen, how we get the success, we get the success with the distribution. So what does means, like if you just ship the app over the Play Store or App Store, and you are expecting that people will download. No, it doesn't gonna work out. You have to distribute that. You have to spend the money on the running the ads on Meta, creating the UGC. Okay, focusing on retention, like the user should use the app every day. And the psychology matter also, like how, when the user can subscribe the app, what are the things we have to key that. So these are the key factors which really matters a lot if you're building any apps. Yeah, okay. Now the next thing is like what I did copy as a developer, what I steal from this app, and what I'm gonna be working on the next app, my app. So the things which I steal from my app, like build any app which has a daily habit system. Like it could be sending a notification. Also implement the strict mechanism, like so they have implemented this strict mechanism on the home screen. So you have to implement that. Like emotional positioning, like you have to create the app where they have emotional, like it could be a habit tracker app, it could be a Bible verses app, it could be Quran app. And make sure to add a strong onboarding. Like the onboarding is really important. Like if you're adding a really good onboarding, you're understanding the user pain problem, it means you are solving a really good problem, and user can buy at the onboarding as well the subscription model, and you have to make sure to implement the subscription model. And the app should be simplicity. You don't have to make any complex problem, something like that. Just make a simple app. Okay. Now, those are the things you have to make sure, like make the app emotional positioning, strong onboarding, subscription model, and those all the things. Now, what app ideas engineers are ignoring, being as a app ideas, like we ignore these app ideas, like we ignore the Quran app, we ignore the Bible app. This made me realize developers ignores boring categories like this apps, this category. Like I never thought like I gonna build a Bible app. This category is really boring category, but they are have money. Like if you're building an app around prayer application, parenting application, study habits, exam prep, relationships app, routine app, and journalizing app, these apps have really good money. So this journal is boring, but you can make money, I would say. And you can see the number as well. Like this is a spiritual app, but they are making money. Okay. Now everyone wants to build the next AI unicorn. So what is happening right now, like everyone wants to make another AI wrapper. But I would say like simple apps without AI, this app is making quietly make money. So if you are end goal to not make an AI wrapper and wanted to make a money, you can also make money with a simple app. Now, let's talk about the final lesson. What we are the things learned. The biggest takeaway: stop optimizing for impressive engineering. Like being as an engineer, like you thought, like I have to build an app which gonna be, do a multiple API calls and do this operation. No. Like look at this, my app. Like I make this complex application, autoaishorts, which generate the AI video, which is available over the Play Store as well as the App Store. I make this really complex app. I spend a lot of nights, sleepless nights, but ended up like uh, you know like it's not making money at last. So what is happening, like stop optimizing for impressive engineering. You have to make just simple app, I would say. Don't start optimizing like, I just to solve this great problem. No, start optimizing for real problems people care about it. Okay, so like you build some apps for spiritual, like people just love that problem, people just care about that problem, because nobody brags about building a Bible app. And but this one quietly makes six figure. So that's the one thing, guys. If you're building any apps, don't go for app to build something really complex app. No, just make a simple app. This app is really making good money. So yeah, that's the one thing I would say. And yeah, you guys can also check out my application. This is called autoaishorts, which is available over the Play Store and the App Store. And we had recently crossed 10k downloads, and this app is also making, and which is we have make around 1.8k dollars so far. And yeah, you guys can, if you're downloading these apps, I would say you guys can support me by giving the star over the Play Store and App Store. And I'm planning to record, I've been like not making the tutorials, and I've been more focusing on creating the content around the indie app development, building in public, and more on the startup culture. So let me know how this content sounds to you. And yeah, let's catch up in the next video. So I'm gonna be more focusing on talking about the indie development and other stuff. So yeah, thank you guys, bye bye, take care, and let me know what are you building next, and should I build this app in next video or not. Thank you, bye.